Imagine a world where your emails are truly yours, a world free from prying eyes and unwanted spam. This is the promise of decentralized email, and it's closer than you think. For too long we've entrusted our communications to centralized entities. These companies control our data, often without our full understanding or consent. But the future of the internet is decentralized, and communication must evolve too. Decentralized email puts you back in control. It leverages the power of blockchain technology to secure your messages and protect your privacy. No more worrying about data breaches or corporate surveillance. This is the future of communication. And with Dmail Network, it's here today. Dmail Network is a revolutionary platform that brings the benefits of decentralization to email. Built on the blockchain, Dmail offers unparalleled security and user control. Forget passwords and usernames. With Dmail, your wallet is your key. This means no more forgotten passwords or cumbersome security questions. Your crypto wallet is your secure gateway to the Dmail ecosystem. Once logged in, you can create a unique NFT email address. These addresses are not only secure, but also serve as digital collectibles, showcasing your unique style and interests. Dmail uses end-to-end encryption to safeguard your messages. This means that only you and your recipient have the keys to unlock and read your emails. Your data remains private and secure, free from any third-party interference. Getting started with Dmail is easy and intuitive. Simply connect your Web3 wallet, choose your NFT domain name, and you're ready to experience the future of email. Dmail offers a familiar and user-friendly interface, making it easy to transition from traditional email services. You can send and receive emails, manage contacts, and organize your inbox just like you're used to. But Dmail goes further. Tired of spam clogging up your inbox? Dmail's Subhub feature gives you granular control over your subscriptions. Choose which senders you want to receive emails from, ensuring a clutter-free and focused inbox. With Dmail, you're not just an email address, you're part of a decentralized ecosystem. Section 4 Dmail in action, real users, real benefits. Don't just take our word for it, real users are experiencing the benefits of Dmail every day.
Since switching to Dmail, I feel so much more secure knowing that my emails are truly private. And the Subhub feature is a game changer. My inbox is finally manageable.
It's so cool to have an email address that's also a collectible. It's like having a little piece of the internet that belongs to me.
These are just a few examples of how Dmail is transforming the way people communicate online. Section $5 Dmail, powering the future of communication. The $Dmail token is the lifeblood of the Dmail ecosystem. This utility token powers various features and functionalities within the platform. Users can use $Dmail to purchase premium NFT email addresses, unlock advanced features, and participate in platform governance. As the Dmail community grows, so too will the utility and value of the $Dmail token. The future of communication is decentralized, secure, and user-centric. Dmail Network is leading this revolution, empowering individuals to take control of their digital communications. Join us and experience the future of email.